Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef 𝐋𝐢𝐲, but everyone calls me 𝐋𝐢𝐲. So you already know, you can call me 𝐋𝐢𝐲. Today we're going to be transforming these delicious ingredients into this delicious dish. Stay tuned so we can get this spicy linguine with clams. I'm going to take our anchovies and I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take maybe about two of these. And I'm going to just give them a little chop. The thing with anchovies, they'll pretty much turn into like a paste the more you messed with them. So when you get them chopped up, I'm just going to pretty much smash them. And this is going into our sauce. So we're going to heat up some oil. I'm going to be adding some garlic. Also going to be adding those anchovies that we mashed up. Because I like this spicy, I'm also going to be adding some red pepper flakes. It'll be fragrant and aromatic. And when I see the garlic getting a little bit of color, I'm going to be adding our clams. Clams do not take very long to cook, but while they're in there, I'm going to be adding some pepper. I don't want to over season these because clams already come with salt on them from salt water. So you don't want to over season these too much because it'll just be too much salt. Just to let these steam, I'm just going to put a lid on them. They're just about done, and I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of dry white wine. Nothing expensive, just something cookable. You see them all just about pop open. I am going to remove them and add them to another bowl. And then I'm going to take all of those extra delicious juices and I'm also going to transfer that in. So all of those extra juices and everything, we're definitely going to put those to use. And I'm going to be adding a can of tomato sauce. And I'm also going to be adding half a can of tomato paste. Don't season this just yet because we did season our clams and everything. So all those flavors and things are going to be going into this tomato sauce. We're starting to get air pockets. We're going to add back our clams and our juice, and we're going to work that in together. So you'll see the wine and the tomato sauce pretty much turn into what looks like a sauce. To let them come together, just let them cook. And then after they cook together, we'll adjust our seasonings. In the meantime, I'm going to add half a box of linguine noodles because I'm making this for two, and this takes about 10 minutes to cook, so it gives our sauce a chance to simmer. To finish off our dish, I am going to give it a green note, and I'm going to add some parsley, so I'm just going to get this nice and chopped, and we're going to add this to our dish on the finish. So our sauce has been simmering for about 10 minutes because our pasta was cooking, which gave it a really good time for it to come together. I am going to adjust my seasonings. I recommend doing this and tasting your sauces as you go. If you don't want to eat it, why in the world would you want somebody else to eat it? So I am going to adjust my salt and my pepper. And on the finish, I am also going to be adding some paprika. This is really going to help with the spicy note, but you don't want to add too much because you do want it to be enjoyable. I'm doing this while the pasta is just about finishing up. So because I added a little bit more seasoning, I'm just going to keep this on like a low heat and let this just come together and wait and stay hot while I strain off the pasta and add it to the pan. Now that the pasta is ready, I'm just going to take little sections at a time and add it to my pan and just toss it around and really get the noodles as coated as possible in the tomato sauce. So we're just about finished. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley to the dish. It really brightens up the dish as a whole, but also it provides a really nice fresh note to our dish. Now onto my favorite part, which is the plating. I'm gonna take some pasta and add it to the center of a bowl. And then for the clams to really be the standout, I'm going to add that around the pasta just for, you know, aesthetic. Adding the final touches to the dish, there we go. We have clam and linguine with a spicy tomato sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed creating it. I hope to see you like and comment, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.